Hey everyone, Deepak Saini here. I just wanted to share a quick couple thoughts I had on something that's been on my mind for a little bit. So when I was on my friend Michelle Greenwell's podcast a couple of weeks ago, a month ago now, we talked about movement, and she's a dance instructor or was a dance instructor, and does Tai Chi and all these really cool movement things. And it came up about not only just moving in like one plane, like running or on the elliptical or whatever the case may be, but also like changing your plane of movement and that sort of thing. Got me really thinking that I don't really do that a ton. And I get reminded about this multiple times a day when I'm walking the dog and he's running around. I got him on the leash and he runs behind me and everything. And I tend to just like I tended, past tense, to switch my arm around and switch what hand was holding the leash. What I've started doing lately is actually, as he rips around, I actually spin around and just get a little bit of different movement, a different plane of movement. And I've been trying to focus on that a little bit more and doing a little bit more. I don't want to say spinning or something like that, and get dizzy or anything like that, but just changing the plane of movement, doing a little bit of twists and churns, because that is super important and good for balance work, everything that I obviously talk about as well with my clients, etc. So anyway, I want to give a shout out to my friend Michelle Greenwell about that. I am going to put a post or a link to my interview where she interviewed me on her podcast in the show notes or below. And also, since we're talking about balance and movement and planes of movement, that is one of the things, one of the topics we talk about in my 10-week course. And I have some workshops coming up very soon about my next cohort of my course. So I'll put that link in there as well. So anyway, think about your movement, think about changing the plane of movement, and we will talk to you soon. Cheers.